Hi everyone! Polgi is with me. She's gonna do unboxing. Hi po! Bye! Look at the camera. Let's do the unboxing. Hi po! Okay, let's gonna unbox. We bought a dash cam for my car. So this is the camera for the car and we're gonna do unboxing. It's a nice box. For both front cam and the rear. Girl, so we're gonna do unboxing. There. So this is the rear view camera. I bought one because I have one installed, but it's not working. So I bought another one that has a nice review. So this is the rear view. So this is the rear view mirror. So we're gonna put it inside. So this is the top view. Polgi, you want? So it has screen protectors. This is like the whole screen for the camera. It shows the rear and the front both, and you can change it. But you have the camera. This is the camera you change, and then you can pull it out, so you can adjust if the camera is if something is blocking the camera. So that's it. And then this is the protection for the actual rear view of the car. So you're gonna put it at the front. So there's a USB port, and then the volt, where you put the power on, and then GPS, and then the memory card. So the brand is called Asawi. It's not like a branded name, but it's a nice camera. So this is maybe the power on and off, and then the camera, it has the plastic pa, so we're gonna remove later on once we install. And then the speaker, so it's nice. It's not heavy, but it's nice. So I'm gonna bring this to Ford tomorrow because I'm gonna have the car check. Diba, Polgi? It comes with the manual. This is the manual, the dash cam. Know how to install and what's inside. I think I'm doing great, because my dog is really understand and knowing what I'm telling them. So it comes with the power cable. So you plug it at the car port, like the cigarette port. I don't know what you call it. That's it. And then this is where the AVR. And then it comes with the rear view, the rear camera. It's here. My car has a originally built-in rear camera, but this one is for like the dash cam. The other one is for the car has the rear camera for backing up. So this is for like the record for during the drive. So it comes with this. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to Ford and have it installed. And maybe I'll just